Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the interaction menu immediately. This is where the media player lives. Once done, navigate to the inventory or radio/music player area and select media player so you can control sources. Make sure the game is updated and any custom tracks or connected streaming device is available, because missing files will prevent playback. You're doing this first to confirm the software has access to your music, and to avoid interruptions later when you start adding songs and playlists. Now you load and organize content so listening is seamless during gameplay. You browse local files or the in-game library and add tracks to the media player, then create a playlist and arrange order using the add/remove controls or drag gestures. Make sure to set playback options like shuffle, repeat, crossfade, and the player volume to mix properly with game audio. As you work, test a short sample to confirm transitions and levels. This prevents abrupt cuts when you rejoin missions or activities. Finally, you start playback and learn quick controls so music doesn't interrupt your flow. Use hotkeys, the in-game phone music app, or interaction menu controls to play, pause, skip, and switch playlists. Save favorites to quick select for instant access. If something goes wrong, first stop and verify file formats and game permissions. Unsupported codecs or blocked storage are common causes. If that fails, restart the game or re-import files. These steps solve most playback and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.